On October 27th, so literally just about a week ago, I spent 5 hours traveling to Madrid. The purpose? The second year of Mama Travel Fest, which was taking place on the 28th at Espacio Rastro in Madrid. Though it was all a bit of a rush job, we had not learned about the event until about 2 weeks prior, which honestly is not enough to get everything sorted for an event such as this. It was still an exciting opportunity to dip our toes in and test out the waters of these sorts of events. So we got our tables set up, Anita and I were ready to face the crowds. The event was great, and honestly, from the start of the day, it kind of unfolded like a colorful tapestry, bringing together families with a shared passion for travel. As an ambassador for Wondershare FamiSafe, I, along with Anita, a former team member with an intimate knowledge of FamiSafe, dove into this bustling world. Our goal was to blend into this lively community, exchanging ideas and learn from the myriad of experiences of fellow travelers. And though we have not really done much traveling in the last couple of years, I have moved 23 times in my life, and the year before the pandemic we managed to cover 11 countries in just 3 months, kids, dogs and all. So yeah, I do kind of count myself into this crowd. So what was the event like? Well, it was alive with an array of activities, each designed to ignite curiosity and foster connections. Workshops like Carpinteria de Bosque by Amphibia Kids offered children a hands-on approach to learning, while sessions like Todo lo que aprendí viajando con un bebé by Lucia Sanchez provided valuable insights for new parents. The event was a celebration of diverse experience, with sessions like Viajar sin plástico con niños by Carla Llamas offering practical eco-friendly travel tips, resonating with festival's commitment to sustainability. Our role at the event was to engage in rich discussions about the intersections of parenting, travel and technology, while showcasing FamiSafe, highlighting our app, how it could serve as a guardian angel for parents, ensuring their children's digital well-being. And though we had the purpose mostly to bring awareness to parental control apps, it was never just about that. These interactions were also about understanding the evolving needs of modern families. After all, the event's atmosphere was charged with stories and laughter. Parents eagerly shared their experiences of juggling travel and education, the highs and lows of road schooling, and the quest for balance in a digitally connected world. These conversations were eye-opening, offering us a window into the lives of families who embrace both travel and technology. Honestly, the insights gained were invaluable, painting a vivid picture of the dynamic world of parenting today. But besides some great talks, we had the chance to interview a few guests and speakers. And I think the core of the spirit of the Mama Travel Fest was captured in the interviews with various speakers I had the chance to interact with. Their tales were rich in adventure, filled with insights and poignant moments from traveling with children. Their opinions on technology, social media, parental control were so diverse, and you're gonna see them later. All in all, their narratives offered a deeper understanding of the diverse ways families navigate the complexities of travel and parenting these days. Each story was a testament to the resilience and adaptability of parents on the move, as well as a demonstration of growth and learning about themselves, but also about the wider world. And as the event concluded with a lively improvisation show, I found myself reflecting on the whirlwind of experiences. The Mama Travel Fest was more than just an event. It was a journey into the diverse, vibrant world of traveling families. For FamiSafe and me, it marked an enriching experience, one that will undoubtedly shape our approaches and offerings to better serve the dynamic needs of families around the globe. We're gonna share these interviews throughout the month, so look out for the notifications on YouTube. Now you know the rest, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!